Just put toothpaste in Coke, and you'll thank me. Let's start today's tip by adding a small amount of toothpaste in 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. These being the two main items for this mixture, we should just close the bottle of Coke and then mix very well. Doing this way, we will fully dilute the toothpaste in the Coke. Once you put the mixture in another container, we will also use 2 tablespoons of detergent, being an indispensable item for this mixture, for its decreasing effect, facilitating the cleaning of all places that use this mixture. We must then mix very well until it becomes a unique mixture. Next, we will also use a tablespoon of baking soda, being an ideal item for use for its alkaline effect. Once added, we will mix very well. My friends and family always ask me for this mixture that I use for cleaning. To finish and increase the tip yield, we will also use a cup of water. We will mix one last time, and with this, we will already have our mixture ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Veronica Mugger from Nairobi. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For ease of use, we will put all the mixture in a spray bottle, as well as controlling the amount during use, and also storage. To avoid waste, the ideal is the use of a funnel. Only this amount we prepare is enough, by use for up to a month. Take advantage and tell me if you have made some mixture for cleaning using Coke. I would love to know your tip. For use is simple. We should only apply a small amount directly on the site, then just use a sponge to facilitate the removal of stains. The best thing is that this mixture is complete and works perfectly for all kitchen items. Even for removing stains from pots, only using a small amount, it works perfectly. If necessary, just use a steel sponge to facilitate cleaning. You will thank me for using this mixture, and always keep it ready for use in your home. Tell me later about the result you had when using. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.